Hello friends, once again you are welcome on my channel Raj Grammar Center. If you have not subscribed this channel, please just like my video and subscribe it. Last time I made video especially on the report writing, and I said earlier previous I think in 1 or 2 months back I made report writing video, but this one also, this one and the last part one report writing, just really whatever I made, that is really updated part. So in the report writing last video I made the newspaper report and how to write the news report, and this time I am teaching especially the how to write the journal report or the school magazine report. So let me revise some things in the last part. You will see what are the differences, whatever the changes are there. Now the report writing is what already in part one also I taught all these things starting 2 3 minutes parts, but same thing I'm repeating because just without the general knowledge you can't understand that. Now see on the screen. Report writing is a form of composition in which we report an incident that has taken place. Report writing is what where we report about especially that thing which already has taken place. A report must find out the answer of some important questions. A report must find out these answers: who, when, what, how, why, etc. What happened, when happened, all these things. Reports are of two types: school magazine report, a general report, or second is the newspaper report. Especially in the school and colleges, somewhere the school magazine report is asked, or somewhere the newspaper report is asked. But these are the mainly two types which we mostly use in the school and colleges. Now see, first school magazine and general report. Reports of events like annual day, sports, the other functions, etc. And second, the newspaper report already I taught earlier, so no need to teach that part again. So school magazine report or the general report, what do we do? Especially about the school functions, annual day, sports, or the other functions also. So whatever things happen, these things are written especially in the written form, and that is called the school magazine or journal report. And before that you must know especially the rules. Which are the important rules you have to follow whenever you are writing the report? First thing, that listen, newspaper report na headlines will be given to you, so but in this journal report you have to frame. But whenever you are framing you should be careful. See, headline should be short and catchy. Means no need to write in detail about especially the headline. It should be short, brief, I can say. Catchy means it should attract the attention of the reader. Second, the byline. Byline part means three things should keep in mind: place, date, and the source. Should be in the proper order. All these three things should be in the proper order. That I'll show you especially on format layout. Only essential facts should be included. You have to write only important points there. It should not be more than 3 to 4 paragraphs, especially for the board exam students. You don't no need to write, I can say, more than 4 paragraphs, but minimum at least 3 paragraphs you have to write. It should be in the past tense, very important, because incident took place earlier, so obviously it will come in the past tense. In the passive voice sentences, by passive voice sentences report writing just becomes better, I can say. Third person pronoun: he, she, it, they used more. In this one only, whenever we are reporting third person pronouns, we have to use more: he, she, it, they, but don't use I, first person pronoun. Person opinion is avoided in the report. Whatever you saw, whatever the fact is there, you have to report only that. And last point is the report should be brief. It is very important. Our report should be brief, because if it is brief, of course the, I can say, important facts will get there. Now see the layout. It is very important for you. In layout, what you see, the first headline you have to write, very important, because headline, I said earlier, headline you have to frame in the general report. Then the place touching the margin on the left side, write the place from here you are reporting. Like suppose you are reporting from Mumbai or Delhi, whatever, so you can write Mumbai or Delhi, whatever the place is that. Then write the date, on which date you are writing the report. Then source of the news. But regarding date, sometimes students confuse. Means whatever the report is inside now, when incident happened. But what I'm saying, on which day you are writing the report, that will come there. on the right side of the place. One more thing, after writing headline, leave 2 3 lines, then place, then date, and below to that source of the news. Don't be confused here. In last time I taught for the newspaper report, it was the by staff reporter. But here for journal report, you have to write the by student reporter. And after that, then from next line, start writing the body of the report. Especially three main paragraphs I need. Intro paragraph, introductory paragraph, like what happened and where happened. Second paragraph gives give in brief some information about especially that report. Last is a concluding paragraph. Concluding paragraph, what is very important, that you have to last thing what you saw, you have to write that. Now I have given in the format to you, especially I have written everything there. See the question first. Write a report for a school magazine on the social service camp organized or arranged by your school. So first, what will you do in this one? School magazine report you are writing, and so regarding the social service camp which was organized specially by your school. First, write the headline: Social service camp organized by Acharya School. Then below to that, leave 2 lines. Left side touching the margin. First, write the place like Mumbai. Then date on which day you are writing the report, 11th May 2020. One journal date is there on which day you are writing the report. Then next line, source of the news. I said earlier, it is the school magazine report. So write the by student reporter. Then you have to start writing the report. First para. I said earlier, what, when, why, all these answers must be in the report. See the first. This year, our SSC students of Acharya School Kolaba set out for their social camp at Atmaram village in Khadauli Taluka of Thane district. So here the which answer is coming here, which place this social camp was being organized. The supervisors, some teachers and SSC students did hard work in the village from 5th Jan to the 7th Jan 2020. So in first paragraph you have to write especially the intro part here, means where this thing took place. Second para, write in brief about, especially they give some information about that camp. Our friend studied about social and economic life of villagers. They saw poverty which was visible in the society. Wells were cleaned and chlorinated by us. Means these works were done by the students who went there. We built one temporary wooden bridge and later requested the government for the construction of bridge as early as possible. We cleaned streets, clay built roads and houses. So all these works were done by the students. So generally I can say first para we introduce about the place where it was there. Second, whatever things you are writing the report, whatever things you saw. If any other example is there also, whatever things you saw there, you have to write in the second paragraph. And then last paragraph. Villagers were too glad after getting our help and guidance. Our teachers guided them about health and education. We returned from that place with the feeling of satisfaction, and our team successfully completed a challenging assignment by helping needy and poor people. So last part, I can say after completing the work, I think just when they finish. So last part, a concluding paragraph is that. So these things you have to keep in mind. What are the differences are there? Very important. I said earlier. Remaining things are same. Only one thing, title you have to frame headline, and then you have to write here the by student reporter, not staff for the newspaper report. I think now report writing doubts are clear, and if you have not just subscribed my channel, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and share with your friends, especially in different social media groups like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you.